Hello guys, and in this video we are just talking about NZD CAD, and I will show you why I take this short trade, what was the logic behind it, and just figure out. And basically I take this trade because of bias. As you know, my in every video I just show and say that the bias are done, the bias are remaining, something like this. So I always target the bias because I know that bias are very important. Liquidity is very important in the market. As you know, the sometimes you read the line that most of YouTubers say that liquidity is the fuel. Like you hear this line anywhere. So basically it is true, market can move with liquidity. If liquidity appears, market will target the liquidity. So basically at this time, let's start with, analyzing. As you know, I already mentioned that I just trade on bias, so let's start. I see that 4-hour bias are here. Okay, 4-hour bias are here, and when 4-hour bias are not supporting this, then market, how can market target this? Why market will target this? Why market will target this? Why market will target this? This is also a question. Market, why? Most of the people can't answer this why, but I will tell you why market take this. So basically, when 4-hour bias are not completed, market will typically take a pullback. And as this is a this is the outer block, valid outer block, and also market bias are ending here. Okay, 3 hours bias, 2-hour bias, 1-hour bias. Market just take the bias. Okay, take the bias and also tap the order block. This is more advantage. Okay, then I just saw 3-minute structure, not 15 minutes, nothing else, something like that. I don't see anything. I just see market has a structure shift. I just see the area where I will enter, and just I enter and market move. Okay, and my target will be this area. Why this? Why? Why? Because the first bias are done here. Okay, as you know, bias. But why I am only targeting this bias? Because these are most nearest bias. Okay, otherwise these are also buyers, we are also buyers, these are also buyers. Okay, these are also buyers. Bias is everywhere. Okay, but you need to understand which bias you should target and what market will target. This is a very typical thing. Okay, so at this time I just target these bias, that's why I just take TP on it, and after that I will see what market does. So this trade is 1:6. Okay, so let's see what happens, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more money videos. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.